Welcome to the MoneyThumb tutorial series. What we're going to cover today is importing a QBO file from your desktop into QuickBooks Online. This is a bit different than doing a direct download from your bank. I'll start by quickly creating a QBO file from a PDF file using QBO Pro by MoneyThumb. We'll start by opening QBO Pro and then we'll go up here and click Convert. We'll select the file we want to convert and click Convert to QBO. Next, we'll select the Payee drop-down menu and click Payee and Memo, so that the original payee name that came from the bank will be saved in the memo in case you ever need to refer back to that. Next, we'll click Create QBO. Once that's done, we'll go to QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, we'll click on Banking on the left and then go all the way down to Upload Transactions Manually. Then we'll select the QBO file we converted earlier. And go over to the bottom right and click Next. Now, if you've already created a QuickBooks account for the bank account the PDF file came from, you can select that account. If not, just click on Add a New Account. So it was a bank and a checking account, and I'll name this Tutorial Checking Account. After that, just click Save and Close. And then in the bottom right corner, we'll click Next. So here's all the data that was in our QBO. What we need to do is assign a QuickBooks customer or vendor for each of the payee names. They can be existing customers or vendors, or you can create new ones. And what's great is QuickBooks Bank Feeds simplifies this process by remembering which payee names were used previously and automatically assigning them. In this file, you can see Kanawha Insurance is listed twice as its recurring charge, and we're going to add that as a new vendor. So to add Kanawha Insurance as a vendor, we'll start by clicking anywhere on the transaction, and then where it says Select Payee, we'll type in Kanawha Insurance. And quick and can tell it's probably categorized as insurance, but if it's not, you can click on the drop-down menu and change the payee category right next to its name. Then we'll click Add Kanawha Insurance and click Save. And if the payee is a customer or an employee, you can select that under Type. After that, we'll go over here, click Add, and it's been added to the bank register for Tutorial Checking Account. Now you can see for that other recurring charge from Kanawha, Quicken recognized the payee because we've already entered it. So we can just click the box next to it and then on Batch Actions and accept these selected transactions. So that too will go to the bank register without any additional typing. So for the other vendor in our statement, ARM Insurance, we'll do the exact same thing. We'll click the transaction, enter the name, ARM Insurance, click to add, and then save. Then go down here to the bottom right to add this transaction to our banking register. Let's just quickly accept the rest of the transactions. Finally, to see that everything got imported correctly, click over here on Accounting and then click on our checking account, Tutorial Checking Account. And here's all our transactions with the payees listed next to them. So now what we've accomplished is any future transactions from the same payees in your statements get classified automatically without you, the user, ever having to type them in again.